Hi there, Dean Linnell here with the Linnell Group of Realtors at the Whistler Real Estate Company. And I'm here at the Legends. There's a pool behind me, you can see. I was reading in the paper today that there's actually a few years of payments that have been missed at all the hotels in Whistler and all the condo properties that have pools. The municipality has never charged the hotels with pools for their water usage. And so now, going forward, they're going to be charging each hotel for water usage to fill these pools, and that will likely be reflected in your strata fees if you've got a condo with a pool. So something to keep in mind, probably in the neighborhood between $5,000 and $10,000 a year for water usage fees for these pools. So it could be something that could significantly impact the strata fees. Maybe not a ton, but your strata fees might go up 10, 20, 30 bucks a month in light of these new fees. So they're not retroactively going back for the past 20 years to charge the hotels, but they certainly are going to be going forward charging everyone. So something to keep in mind. If you ever have any questions about the pool at your condo, you can reach me, Dean, at whistler-realestate.com, or on cell 935-9313. Thanks. Talk to you soon.